Hello everyone, we have complete pre-medieval period. So today we are going to discuss about medieval period. So the medieval period is believed to have started in the history of Nepal after the Nepal Samvat began 1936 BS. The period from 1936 BS to 825 BS, the unification of Nepal, and the period after the end of Lichavi period and prior to the fall of Malla are known as medieval period in the history of Nepal. So in fact, the medieval period in the context of Nepal refers to Malla period. Up to some century of this period, Nepal stood as big as it is was in the Lichavi period, but later on gradually fragmented into a small independent countries in a different place. At times, efforts were made for reunification and expansion too. Therefore, the geographical state of medieval Nepal was sometimes unified, sometimes fragmented, and sometimes expanded, and sometimes contracted. So, we'll first discuss about the introduction of the Malla dynasty. The Mallas were believed to have started their rule since the beginning of 13th century. So, similarly, Ari Malla is regarded as the first ruler of Malla dynasty. However, the Mallas were active in governance since a long time before the Ari Malla. It was founded to the Gopal royal genealogy and is some inscription that the Mallas were in or other way active in the governance from one decade before the Ari Malla. The Mallas was regarded as ancient clan. They were being described as a special class Kshatriya in the ancient Sanskrit literature. The Mallas were referenced in the Mahabharata before Buddhist literatures, Manusmriti, and in other various Purans. The Mallas were equally described as Khoslas in Mahabharata. The Mallas has been compared with the Vidhas of Mithila in Markandeya Puran. Various ancient sources have been given example that many royal clans who have been ruling over organized republican state in 5th to and 6th century BC, later gradually suffered by the imperial expansion by monarchical state and they had entry to the Nepal. Lichavi, Kolia, Sakya, Malla, etc. All of them were entered Nepal as a refugee. The Sakya had lived in the Lalitpur areas whereas Kolias were used to live in the Kantipur, the present day Keltol. So similarly, the Mallas lived in the Gandaki areas in the beginning and later in the some part of the valley. So the arrival of Mallas in Nepal, just as the Lichavi of the Vaisali came to Kathmandu Valley as they could not stay because of the conquest of Gorkha Empire to the Magadh in the northern India, the Mallas within the origin of Kushinagar and its surrounding came to the Gandaki region as a refugee. Since Raj, Rajla, Rajla Dev and Katya founded a settlement in the Champagiri, Champagaon, located in the south of Lalitpur. It is evident that the Mallas have tried to increase their political influence in the Kathmandu. The main objective behind the attack of Malla region by Manadev was to suppress the ambitions of the Mallas. When Lichavi rules began weakening in the center, the ambitions of the Mallas ruled over the center increased. Ari Dev or Ari Malla succeeded in it. Born into 1210 BS, Ari then becomes the king in 1258 BS and ruled over the state for 15 years and died in 1274 BS. After the Ari Malla, Abhay Malla became the king in 1274 BS and he ruled for 38 years. So the next is the division of Malla states. During the Malla period, the capital of the unification of the capital unified Nepal Valley was Bhaktapur and the kings used to rule from Uthimnimham and Tirupur Palace. The palace were to be constructed as a four-sided fort as to be safe from the attack of other countries which was called Chowkwat in the local language. The last king of the unified Malla state of the Kathmandu Valley was Akhtya Malla. After the rule of Akcham Malla, Nepal Valley was divided into Kantipur, Patan, and Badgaon. It was, it is, it has been mentioned in the genealogy that Hanuman Dhoka Palace was built in Kritipur in 12th century AD during the reign of King Guna Kamdev. Pratap Malla made the palace of the Kantipur, a large from by adding many parts in the courtyards. After Prithvi Narayan Shah ascended to the throne of Kantipur, some old parts and courtyards were removed and new courtyards were made or added. So these are the table which will give you the ideas of Malla kings of the valley and Malla kings of Kantipur. So first is Ratna Malla, Amar Malla, Singh Malla, Pratap Malla, Prativendra Malla, Bhaskar Malla, Jaya, Surya, Mahendra, Lakshmi Narsinga, Nipendra, Bhupalendra, Jaja Malla, the Malla kings of Patan, Ratna Malla, Vishnu Malla, Narsimha Malla, Harisingha Malla, Siddhi Narsimha Malla, Yogendra Malla, Indra Malla, Bir Narsimha Malla, Srinivas Malla, Lok Prakash Malla, Mahindra Malla, Riddhi Narsimha Malla, Bhaskar Vishnu, Bachwajit, Ranjit, Yog Prakash, Raja Prakash, Jai Prakash, Tej Narsimha. So Malla king of Vadgaon, Raya Pran Malla, Jaya Jyotir Malla, Jagat Prakash Malla, Bipindra Malla, Subran Malla, Biswa Malla, Narendra Jai, Jita Mitra Malla, Ranjit Malla. So with this we'll end, and in the next lecture we'll discuss about the major works done by the some of the Mallas king in the next class. So thank you for watching. Jai Nepal. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next class. Thank you.